Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about my next topic from emulsion, that is theories of the emulsification. Surface tension theory, oriented wedge theory and interfacial film theory. By lowering of the interfacial tensions and oriented wedge theory, monomolecular layers of emulsifying agents are curved around a droplet of the internal face of the emulsion. Interfacial film theory. A film of emulsifying agent prevent the contact and cause coalescing of the dispersed paste. Additives for the formulations of emulsions, antimicrobial preservatives, emulsifying agent, also there are antioxidants and auxiliary emulsifiers. Emulsifying agents, they are the substance added to an emulsions to prevent the coalescence of the globules of dispersed paste. They are also known as the emulgent or emulsifiers. They help in formation of emulsion by three mechanisms: reductions in interfacial tension, thermodynamic stabilization, formation of rigid interfacial film, and mechanical barrier to coalescence, formation of an electrical double layer, electrical barrier to approach of the particles. Pharmaceutically acceptable emulsifiers must also be stable, be compatible with outer and the other ingredients, and be non-toxic and possess the little odor and taste or the color. Non-interfere with the stability or efficacy of the active ingredients. So there are the oil and water, add the emulsifying, they converted into the emulsions. Next is the classification of the emulsifiers. There are the synthetic surface active agents, monomolecular film. Second are the semi-synthetic and natural. There are the hydrophilic colloid and multimolecular films. Next is the finely divided solid particles are the particulate films. And first is the synthetic surface active agents reduce the interfacial tension and make emulsion thermodynamically more stable. To reduce the interfacial tension, oil droplets are surrounded by a coherent monolayer of surfactant which prevent the coalescence if the emulsifier is ionized. The presence of the strong charge may lead to repulsion in the droplets and hence increasing the stability adsorbed at oil in water interface to foam. First is the foam protective monomolecular film and micelles formation. Next is the classification of the surfactant. There are the cationic quaternary ammonium compound, non-ionic are the polyoxy, ethylene fatty alcohol ethers, C12H25, OCH2, CH2, NOH, sorbitane fatty acid esters, polyoxyethylene, sorbitane fatty acid esters, and the polyoxyethylene, polyoxypropylene block copolymers, lanolene alcohols, and the ethylated linolene and the alcohols. Anionic are the soaps, monovalent, polyvalent, organic sulfates, sulfonates, all are the classification of surfactants. They are the synthetic surface active agents. And next is the semi-synthetic and natural surface active agents. In today's class, I discuss about the synthetic surface active agents. And classification of the emulsifier and emulsifying agents. Thank you for watching.